guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is a little bit different. As you can see, I'm in a different area of the room. I wanted to do a little bit more of a relaxed video and I painted my room so it's white now. It looks so much better. So I'm doing a bit of a chatty video today, so yeah, I just wanted to sit down and have a little chat, a little bit about what I want to do with my YouTube channel. So if you do like these kind of videos, then keep on watching. If you prefer makeup tutorials, then I'm sorry, it's not a makeup tutorial. Maybe that will come next week or the week after, but yeah, so if you do want to listen to me ramble, then just keep on watching. Okay, so Happy New Year. I'm a bit late. What date is it? It's the 16th of January and this is my first video of 2018. Firstly, just want to say sorry. I'm constantly saying sorry for not uploading. None of you probably care that I've been away. But I have seen some comments saying that you want me to do more videos in the future, and I will do that. I'll get into that in a second. Just a very relaxed video, to be honest. Yeah, I'm sat on my floor, and I'm like, why have I not done a video like this, like, more often? Wait, that doesn't make sense. Why haven't I done a video like this sooner? So as I was saying, I have had quite a few comments saying that you want me to do more videos. So it is nice that some of you notice that I have been gone and that you do want me to do more videos. Yeah, I really appreciate it, and at least some of you want me to do more. And I want to do more myself. Like so I'm vlogging this week, which is another new thing. But I did briefly touch on this on my vlog, so my vlog will probably go up after this because I'm filming this today and I'll be able to edit it soon. But yeah, basically my new thing or my new approach to my YouTube channel is that I want to have more of a relaxed approach. I want to do more chit chat videos, just more like just chilled really. Obviously I still want to do like beauty and makeup videos. Obviously I want to do beauty and makeup videos because that is like my passion and that's what I started doing when I first started uploading to YouTube. So I don't want to stop that, but I do find it really difficult doing makeup tutorials, trying to upload, because I obviously have a full-time job. So, and I'm not saying that's an excuse, because if I really wanted to, I could stay up all night and do a YouTube video, but I need my sleep. I cannot work on no sleep. I don't know how people do it. I know some people do it, but I can't do it. Anyways, so it obviously takes me like 3 hours to film a makeup tutorial. Sometimes I get half an hour into the eyes and I don't like them, so I take it off and start again. Sometimes I film a whole video. It takes me a good 3-4 hours to set up, do the makeup, clear away, and then I get to the footage and I don't like it. And then it's not that I've wasted my time, because I love doing makeup. I find it really therapeutic and relaxing, but when I have like one day off, I'm doing like those kind of videos. I've not wasted my day, but you know, it's a bit of a, like, it's not going out there because I think it's not good enough. So I got into a rut that every like makeup look had to be perfect, every video had to be perfect, the setting had to look professional and amazing. And when you compare yourself to other people and you just start to I started to put a lot of pressure on myself, and yeah, if it wasn't good enough then I would beat myself up. And I've spent all this time making this like amazing look and I get such a good response on my Instagram, and then I come to the footage and I feel like it's not good enough. So I just got into a rut, that's all, that it had to be perfect. And when I first started YouTube, my makeup looks weren't perfect. When I first started doing makeup, I was shit. And obviously I've gotten a lot better now. I'm not saying I'm amazing now, but I've gotten so much better. And I feel like I just need to take a step back and be a bit more relaxed when doing makeup videos and just do it how I used to do it. Because also I feel like other people will relate more if I'm doing it a bit more like realistically and not like Instagram-like, if that makes sense. Because obviously Instagram is like a massive trend at the moment in terms of Instagram makeup. So it's only natural that people, you know, like myself, get inspired by these kind of Instagram looks. And, you know, I do that because, you know, sometimes that's what people want to see. But in reality, I started doing YouTube videos to help people. And when I'm doing these Instagram looks that look amazing at the end, it's not achievable for the everyday person, you know, to recreate that. Well, that's what I'm thinking, that's just my opinion. So I just want to go back to, not basics, because, you know, I still do that and I will do that, but I just want to just put content out there that is a bit more chilled, basically, and not all, I'm not going to try and perfect it, you know, if it's, you know, I'm going to chat more in the videos, and if it's not perfect, then so what? I'm a human being. That's only natural, and I feel like you guys will relate to me more if you see more of that side. And obviously I will still showcase loads of different looks, and I'll still kind of sit down and just do, you know, more natural looks or more out there looks. But yeah, I hope I'm making sense. Like, this has been going through my head for so long now, and I hated not doing YouTube videos. I've just put my camera on a tripod in front of my window, and I could easily do a makeup tutorial here. That's like so easy. That's what I enjoy to do. That's what I enjoy. I'm not very good at talking loads. That's what I enjoy doing, and I feel like if I enjoy it, then you guys will enjoy it too, because it will come across in my videos. Obviously I won't put videos out there that I don't think is good quality, because I think it is really important to put you know, good quality content out there, because at the end of the day I do believe that it is all about quality and not quantity. But to a certain extent I do feel like you know, with YouTube you have to be consistent, and I found it really hard being consistent on YouTube because of, like, you know, working and not being able to edit and film and blah blah blah. But I'm hoping with more of this relaxed approach I can just film whenever I want, and like I said earlier, I'm going to be vlogging more. So, you know, even if it's like vlogging like just a part of my day when I buy some new makeup, or like I'm doing my skincare like regime. Is that the right word? Regime? Is it because Americans say regimen and I watch too many American vloggers? I don't know. I lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Yeah, so I can just do stuff like, that's what I love watching. I absolutely love watching like vlogs, when people like get ready in their vlogs, or when people do skincare in their vlogs, and just, so it is kind of beauty and makeup, but it's more in like a vlogging style, because I'm obsessed with vlogging. Did I say blogging or vlogging? I can't remember. And I love watching that, so I feel like because I love that, I will enjoy filming that kind of thing. So hopefully that will come across in my videos. I'll be able to do more videos, and I just want to be consistent. That's all. That is my goal for 2018 for my YouTube channel, is to be consistent. Because obviously in the past, when I have been more consistent, my channel has grown more. So because there is more of you, obviously I want to do more videos. Let me just get my breath back. Because I did get to a point where I thought, like, why am I doing YouTube? Like, I kind of, you know, I don't get paid for it. It's not my job. I just do it as a hobby and because I love it. And it's just, I always feel like Josh always says, it's like a part of me now, because he's just always known that I love it, kind of thing. So I couldn't imagine not, even though I don't do it that often, I'm kind of just known as doing YouTube, even though, like, I don't do that many videos. But if you look back, like, I've got videos back in, how long? So maybe like 5 years ago, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't consistent, so I did have a bit of a break. But it is so amazing to like look back and see how far I've come, like as a person, as well as like artistry, because oh god, if you look back, I think I've put a lot of them on private now because they are absolutely horrendous. Like, I am so shy. I literally talk like this. Like, then use a splendor brush. And oh my god, back then I thought I was good at makeup. Like, I thought I was alright. No. But everyone, it's so true, everyone starts somewhere. So if you feel like you're not good at makeup, then just keep doing it, because practice makes perfect. I love like doing videos, and I feel like it can be a bit of like a video diary. But yeah, back to the point. So I just thought, you know, why am I doing it? And obviously my first goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I got there. And then obviously my next one was 5,000, and I'm now on like 7,000. So my next goal is to get to 10,000. Like, that is my number one. Like, 10,000 is just absolutely insane, thinking about 10,000 people. And I feel like I'm so close that, like, why should I stop now? Like, I absolutely love doing it. I always think if I stopped, I would think, like, what if? What if I carried on? Like, what would happen? So yeah, I just want to, you know, carry on doing it and use it a bit of like a video. Hello, Josh? Josh? Okay, don't worry. Is it just you here? Okay. I thought I heard someone in the other room. I thought I heard footsteps in the other room. No, I lost my train of thought. Damn it! What was I talking about? And then also just sitting down and talking to the camera like this, like, it's almost like my video diary, because I feel so much better when I vent and when I speak to someone, because when, like Josh always says, like, say if we're in the car, we always talk, like, we always do like deep chats. Do deep chats? I don't know what I'm saying. Why do I always do this? We always get into like really deep conversations, like when we're in the car, or what else? Or like, say if we go to dinner, he just sits there and he's like this, and I'm just like rambling on, because that's how I vent, and he just gets it. So that's obviously one of the reasons why I want to just sit down and just vent and tell you guys about my life, basically. I don't even know if you're going to find it interesting, but I love to watch these kind of things back. I love to watch other people just chat about life and shit like that, really. I don't know if this video will be that interesting. I'll be a bit nervous to upload it, because yeah, I've never done like a video where I've just spoke about how I'm feeling. But yeah, I just wanted it to be like me. This is my everyday makeup. Didn't want to do anything fancy. Like, I used to feel like I had to come onto YouTube and have like fake lashes on, have my makeup literally like contoured, that sort of thing. And I've come to realise now that I don't have to be like that. I just have to be myself, and this is myself in this video. Like, this is like I'm talking to one of my friends, so it is good to vent. I hope you didn't find it too boring. But yeah, I basically just want to do more relaxed videos. I don't want to have to, you know, be perfect, because no one is perfect. You know, I got to a point where I just felt like my makeup looks had to be at a certain standard, and if they weren't, I didn't want to put them up. And I felt like I felt like the makeup looks had to be 10 times stronger for the camera. It made me realise that, you know, it doesn't have to change just because I'm on camera. Like, I feel like I should do more realistic looks, because that's what I started off doing. It's easier for people to relate. I'm making it really relaxed, easy to watch, you know, I don't want to do all these tons of eyeshadows, and I just don't want to overcomplicate things. That's what I'm trying to say, is I just don't want to overcomplicate it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you don't mind either. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Again, I am sorry for not uploading, but hopefully you will see more of me. You'll see more of this kind of video setup. So yeah, let me know what you think about like the lighting and having it a bit more chilled, or if you do like more like crazy makeup looks, or more just like, you know, advanced makeup looks, then let me know. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now, because I've been rambling for 23 minutes and it's going to be hard to edit. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you like the future content. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and please like this video if you did enjoy it, maybe. And thank you again for watching, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye!